After an adequate breakfast at the Davis Hotel, we took a grab taxi to the Erawan Museum for our first day of Thailand tourism. This is an unusual place, as it's like a temple, crowned with a massive sculpture of Airavata, the divine three-headed elephant. The pink stone building is rich in Eastern iconography, ancient Thai and Asian antiquities, and psychedelic decor, as well as having peaceful gardens with many elephant statues. The Erawan Museum contains antiquities and ancient religious objects belonging to Lek Viryapant, sorry for any mangled pronunciation, who was the museum owner and also the creator of the Sanctuary of Truth Museum. We wandered around the gardens on the entrance side of the building and admired the many elephant statues. And the gold-colored Buddhist statues arranged around one of the shrines in the garden. We approached the main building, which was a vivid pink color and had many miniature elephant statues around the perimeter. After removing our shoes, we stepped through the ornately decorated main entrance of the museum. The interior was stunning, with elaborate decorations, topped off with a beautiful and colorful skylight which included a map of the world. There were many beautiful and detailed statues within. Especially this ornately decorated green statue of Tara, who is the Venerable Mother of Liberation, an important female Buddha. Every surface had elaborate carvings and decorations. Even the underside of the staircases were sculpted into dragons. After leaving the main building, passing the stall selling fruit baskets to give as offerings, we visited the gardens behind the main building. There were many more elephant statues. As well as several water features. Neo took many pictures. I tried taking a selfie with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We visited some of the shrines in the gardens. There was also a quiet corner with a display about the building of the museum. This quiet spot gave me an opportunity to sit down and fly the drone to capture some close-ups of the massive three-headed elephant sculpture. The Airavata sculpture is made of bronze, weighs 250 tons, is 29 meters, 95 feet high, by 39 meters, 128 feet long. It faces west, so the afternoon is the ideal time to take pictures. I also used the drone to capture some overhead views of the gardens. We exited through the gift shop, where a variety of colorful elephant souvenirs were on sale. Just in time to see these ladies in traditional Thai dress arriving. The Erawan Museum is a must-see when in Bangkok. We took a Grab taxi back to the hotel and decided to walk through the narrow back alley behind the hotel to a nearby shopping plaza, where we went for supper at the Savui restaurant. We had garlic chicken pieces, Thai spring rolls, and lemongrass chicken skewers with Thai pineapple fried rice. A favorite dessert in Thailand is mango with sticky rice, often served with condensed milk. The Savui restaurant had its own take on this favorite, a blended version served as a drink. Delicious. We liked it so much that we walked to the restaurant almost every day to order these drinks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.